So today I'm going to be installing some air shocks on the 53 called hijackers. This is the original to use back in the day. So I'm going to put them in there. Stay tuned. So we're going to be doing today.
Okay, let's get this party started.
I think so.
Oh, this car cover's been done. I know it's been around a long time. Whoa.
You know what it is? We gotta let that fuel pump do its thing for a second. This will be the B-roll.
Bam!
Whoa! Sounds good.
If it don't, you won't be able to get the wheels out of it. See, with this jack, it will lock. It's got a safety lock. Ain't no way to come down. You lose air, you can't let the jack down. Got to release this. But right now, we got her locked. She's locked. Ray ain't going nowhere. The work shirt. Huh? Put that shirt on there. Why? That's a work shirt.
The white one?
Yeah, that one over there in the corner. Either one. They both work shirt.
They clean?
Yep. They just work shirt.
Feels all sweaty.
Oh, that's no clean, man. Come on with it.
It started. I'm pretty sure this shirt is not clean. So, there's the shock. And then we're going to take it out.
What size you need that for? High inch or 9/16? There you go.
It scared me though.
No, yeah. The swivels.
Uh-huh.
See now.
Oh, that was scary again.
Oh. Hey, don't that ratchet make the difference in the world? Now remember, turn the air inward. When you put the shock up, let it be sitting there. How about now?
Mm-mm. You think I got them upside down?
No.
Yeah, I think I do.
Do you?
Yeah. I mean, that wouldn't matter, right?
The big part's up top.
The big part's on the bottom here.
Oh, JJ.
Came. They should have came, hombre.
Wait a minute now.
I'm gonna pull on it a little bit.
Yeah.
There it goes.
There you
I just need a little help.
Yeah.
A little motivation is all it needed.
There it comes. Look.
Hey. Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
I'm about at the end then.
Oh, perfect.
That's it? What's up?
Okay. You can run these right like this. Yeah, if I drill a little hole in the tab of this fuel tank right here, we could put a zip tie.
Did you make the hole?
Yeah, all that gas is coming out though.
Oh, what?
No, I'm joking.
Use the cutter bar back there in the back.
Snug this a little bit and then actuate these shocks one more time. The car is sitting almost a little bit at a slant because I picked it up. I was kind of going for that look. Nice look to it. See it. So we're gonna put a little bit more air now.
You ain't got nothing.
How much
12.
is it showing? 12?
Wait a minute.
What's the max on this
12.
one? I'll always go around the block with.
Man, that baby wanted to go, ain't it?